morning I am at the Spa at the Moon Palace Jamaica Resort, and I'm being told that this is the largest spa in the Caribbean. Now I need to check it out for myself, and I'm going to be taking you on the journey with me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the Spa.
Thank you for having me.
So your valet today is Stephanie.
First time here?
Yes.
Welcome. It's a pleasure having you here.
No alcohol, guys. No alcohol.
This is our swimwear extractor. So once you're done with your swimwear, you place it inside, you close the lid, you apply pressure onto it, and it stops automatically. It gets rid of the excessive water. So you can place all your personal belongings inside and ensure the locker is locked and take the key with you. More minutes to come out the sauna. So the eucalyptus is good for the respiratory system. The steam room also detoxifies the body and is 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So any discomfort, you can step right out to end.
That was very relaxing.
Okay, so hold our stick, be very careful.
Ooh, it's cold. It is cold. Ooh. Thank you. How was it? Cold? Good.
Once you get inside.
This is nice. It's not over yet, as yet. So I'm being served also something to drink while I relax.
So this is a cucumber water. So it's so like as it tastes, yes.
Very, very, very relaxing. A must do. You're staying at the Moon Palace Jamaica Resort. This is a must do. Please don't leave without doing it. You won't regret it. You will not.
Felicia, it was a pleasure being your valet. It was a pleasure having you here with us. Enjoy the rest of
Thank you so much, Africa. It was a pleasure being with you too. You have been a great hostess with me. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure.
I am at the end of my water journey here at Moon Palace, and this is just absolutely amazing experience. I have thoroughly enjoyed it, and now I will be heading for my massage. I will be doing the citrus for you guys. Thank you. So that brings us to the end of my spa journey at Moon Palace. It was absolutely relaxing. I loved every moment of it. This is something that if you're staying at the Moon Palace, don't miss it. It is the best. Thank you for joining me while I experienced it and was able to share it with you.